Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark. It's Friday. It's the daily recap, and it's going to be the speed daily recap. This market, I keep saying it, continues to have a bid to it. Another long week, regardless that we're going higher, how it's happening, stocks that are doing it, how things are moving. It's a very, very long week. It's taxing. You certainly have to be in the right issues because there's money rotation that's happening, and if you're not in the right issues, they really just, quite frankly, sit in place almost the entire day. But the overall markets, the NASDAQ, the Russell, and the S&Ps, the Russell, NASDAQ's lagging a little bit mainly because of Apple. But overall, things look good. Is the shake the tree going to happen at some point? I think I probably would see the S&Ps digest a little bit up here because we're certainly not overbought, and I think you're going to see a little bit better movement in certain stocks. Obviously today, I would say the standout, unreal, NFLX. This gives me a little bit of hindsight of what can come with stocks that are heavily shorted or stocks that beat earnings expectations. It's giving me a little bit of a foreshadowing of where this market can actually go. I've seen this before. NFLX could be an individual issue with NFLX. Certainly, obviously, with that exaggerated move, it probably is. But I would expect other stuff when they either beat or mainly beat. You're going to see some people scrambling to get either cover or get in. And I don't think we're there yet. Now, how this market's happening, retail's not in. You can just tell institutions are sort of methodically buying. And that's where we're at, and you just got to respect the fact. Today, a few standouts. NFLX certainly was one of them. Priceline was another. Great move. I had it circled. Unfortunately, I did not play it today. And Expedia, I've been in, was another move. So you obviously have the online brokers, online travel sites doing well. Apple, another down day, finished right at its low. Still beaten up. Somebody on CNBC said it, I sort of agree. We're getting to that point where now the sentiment has just gone totally to the other direction. Everybody thinks it's a piece of crap company. It has no more growth to it. It has nothing left. To me, when all the sentiment goes the other way, you're probably getting close to, at least price-wise, near a bottom. Technically, you obviously want to see a little bit of a better setup. So we'll wait and see, but certainly stay tuned to the VTF on that front. Google took a rest day. Amazon new high. Some of the oil stocks looked okay. OIH, from when I talked about it, at 40 and change, 43, nice move. Obviously, some of the other oil stocks have contributed accordingly. Ags, POT, CF, MOS. Continued rotation. You're getting some really good movements, and that's respectable. And you just gotta understand. Try to take advantage of it and move forward. The trend is your friend until it's not. Stop trying to pick the top of a move, understanding we're going to have a down day in there, but stop trying to pick the top. You obviously, if you've been trying to pick it for the last week, you're probably pulling your hair out. And you just got to respect the fact that the move is, we're grinding higher, and until something changes, keep doing what you're doing, which means buying on pullbacks, the best in breed at key moving averages, and you'll be able to take advantage of it. Another long week, hopefully next week. Maybe a little short. I don't know why it's so long, but maybe it's just me also with the new baby. But it's a very long week. It seems like I'm very tired at the end as Friday rolls around. Hopefully you guys had a good week. Lots of good communication on the chat, and lots of obviously good information people were throwing out. And enjoy the weekend. I'll see you back on Monday.
I'm Evan Lazarus, Chief Knowledge Officer for T3Live.com. You don't become a great trader by watching videos and taking courses. You become a great trader through live screen time. Accelerate that learning curve by tapping into the experience of seasoned professionals. Currently, we're offering 5-day free trials to each of our 4 mentoring rooms. In the mentoring rooms, we teach our strategies in the context of the live market. To sign up for a free trial, go to the T3 Live education page, fill out the form, and get started when the next trading session begins. We hope to see you in one of our mentoring rooms.